Have you ever felt like life is just a series of things happening asterisk to asterisk you? Like you're constantly being tossed around by waves you can't control? What if I told you there's an ancient key to unlocking unshakable inner peace and strength, no matter what storms come your way? This isn't some new age trend. It's a 2,000-year-old philosophy called Stoicism, and it might just be the superpower you've been looking for. Let's travel back in time to ancient Rome. Imagine a man named Marcus Aurelius. He was the most powerful person in the world, the emperor of the vast Roman Empire. You'd think his life was easy, right? Far from it. He faced constant war, a deadly plague that swept through his empire, betrayals from his closest allies, and the deep personal grief of losing several of his children. Yet, through it all, he remained a just, effective, and respected leader. How? He was a practicing Stoic. Every morning, he would write to himself, reminding himself of Stoic principles. He didn't focus on the chaos he couldn't control. He focused on his own actions, his own character, and his own responses. He understood a core Stoic idea. It's not what happens to us, but how we react to it that matters. This brings us to the heart of Stoicism, the dichotomy of control. It's a simple but life-changing concept. Imagine drawing a circle. Inside the circle are all the things you can control: your thoughts, your judgments, your choices, your actions. Outside the circle are all the things you can't control: the weather, the traffic, what other people think of you, the global economy. The Stoics teach us to pour all our energy into the circle we control and to accept everything outside of it with calm indifference. How much time do we waste worrying about things we have zero power over? Fretting about a comment someone made, getting angry at a delayed flight? This is like trying to command the tides. Stoicism invites us to let go. When you truly internalize this, a huge weight lifts off your shoulders. You stop being a victim of circumstance and start becoming the master of your own mind. Now, let's talk about turning obstacles into opportunities. The Stoics had a saying, "The obstacle is the way." Think about that. Most of us see a problem and try to go around it. A Stoic sees a problem and goes asterisk through asterisk it, using it as fuel for growth. Let's say you get laid off from your job. The initial reaction is panic, fear, and maybe even anger. That's natural, but a Stoic perspective would challenge you to reframe it. What can you learn from this? Is this an opportunity to switch careers to something you're more passionate about? Does this give you time to learn a new skill? The layoff itself is an external event, neither good nor bad. It's your judgment that labels it a disaster. By shifting your perspective, the very thing that seemed like a setback can become the launching pad for your greatest comeback. This is true self-discipline, not just forcing yourself to do things, but training your mind to see the good in the difficult. This isn't about suppressing your emotions or becoming a robot. It's about acknowledging your feelings without letting them hijack your life. It's about building a mental fortress that can withstand anything. You practice by starting small. Annoyed by traffic? Use that time to listen to a podcast or simply practice mindful breathing. Upset by criticism? Ask yourself if there's any truth to it you can learn from. If not, let it go. It's their opinion, not your reality. The wisdom of Marcus Aurelius and the Stoics is as relevant today as it was to millennia ago. In our world of constant distraction and uncertainty, building this inner citadel of calm and resilience is not a luxury, it's a necessity. You have the power to choose your response in any given moment. You have the power to focus on what you can control. And you have the power to turn every obstacle into a stepping stone. Start today. The next time you feel overwhelmed, take a breath and ask yourself, is this inside my circle of control? That one simple question is the first step on an ancient path to modern strength. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more wisdom to help you master your mind. See you in the next one.